Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this week's brand new video we are going to do a quick unboxing of the all new iPhone 11 Pro as it is right now in the studio. So let's get started. So over here we have the space gray 64GB variant and it costed around $599. But first of all, thanks to my friend Kerven for doing this unboxing and congratulations for buying the new iPhone 11 Pro. The color of the box is just so good, and that's the best part of buying the iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max, as the box is matte black in color. Actually, the box reminds me of the dark mode which came back in iOS 13. Let's open up the box quickly and just see where is the iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, so here's the iPhone 11 Pro finally. Wow, seriously, it looks just so cool. I mean, the camera design isn't that bad as it was shown in the rumors, and the back, it looks just so awesome. I mean, it's absolutely worth $599 and even more if you want to go for the higher ones. Let's keep. This time in the box we have an 18-watt fast charger which is actually quite powerful. Oops, I guess I dropped it. But still, there is the same old USB charging cable which is quite disappointing from Apple. So that was a quick unboxing for the iPhone 11 Pro, and I hope you guys liked it. So if you did, then don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to this channel for weekly tech content. And see you guys in the next video. Till then, peace.